mommies and daddies. Welcome to Glitzy Mom and welcome to a new video. For today, I'm going to review washable markers. So, if you're a parent, I'm sure na-experience nyo na yung child or yung mga kids nyo being interested in drawing, and they are drawing everywhere. Your walls, yung table, yung floor, anything na may imagine mo na pwedeng sulatan. And they like those very pigmented markers, then this video will be for you. So I'm going to review the washable markers that I have or I purchased in this video. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and click that subscribe button and that like button. So in this review, we're going to rate them based on, first, of course, their washability, and then their color pigmentation, and then their prices. So those are the three criteria for this review of these washable markers. So let's start. So here are the markers that we're going to test in Sophia's actual work table. So this is the Ultra Clean Washable by Crayola red, and then we have the Ultra Clean Washable Ultra Lovable Stamp markers. These are Crayola, and then we have the Scribbler markers, and then we have the Color Run Felt Tip by Deli, and we have the Color Emotion Deli Full Red. So this is brush tip, and then the Faber-Castell red, and the Crazy Art washable marker red. So, we're gonna start with Crayola Ultra Washable. Give it 20 seconds. That's 20 seconds. So, we're gonna use like a regular wipes. Let's see if it's gonna wipe. I just want to do one swift motion. There, that's Crayola washable markers. Let's see the Crayola emoji. And again, we're gonna do the 20-second timer. Then we're gonna use the same one but on a different side. Let's see. Next is the Scribbler. I'm gonna use the same timer. Going to use the same one but different sides. This is clean. That's Scribbler. Then next is Deli Color Run. The same timer. Ito lahat one gawa natin to compare kung alin yung madaling i-wash. So the same. Okay. So that's Deli Color Run. Next is the Deli Color Emotion. Oh, this is their brush pen. Then we're gonna erase using the same one, but clean. And next is the Faber-Castell. Just one motion, so that's Faber-Castell. And the last one is the Crazy Art. Oh, it's already there. I'll just cover it so you can see. Clean part. Wipe it. Okay, so far you can see we just did the one wipe motion using a regular baby wipe. On the Ultra Clean washable markers, this one, so you can see it's no longer noticeable. One wipe lang. And then the Crayola emoji, also one wipe. It's no longer as noticeable on clean swipe. And then the scribbler, this one, the scribbler, you can still see a faint line, pero konti na lang. So siguro konting scrub pa, matatanggal siya. And then next is the Deli Color Run. So as you can see, the Deli Color Run, hindi siya ganun kabilis na wawash. Although, makikita mo na natanggal naman siya dun sa one swipe motion. Hindi siya ganun, kitang-kita mo pa din yung line versus dun sa ibang washable. So, that. And then this one, the Color Emotion, the brush pen of Deli, mabilis din siya. So, hindi mo na rin masyadong makita yung line nung wipe siya. And next is the Faber-Castell. Faber-Castell is the same. Kita mo pa din yung line. Nung wipe mo siya, kita pa din yung line. Although, konting wash pa niyan, konting kuskus pa ng matatanggal din siya. And then, the Crazy Art. So, the Crazy Art. And, faint na din siya. Hindi na masyadong kita. Pero, mas, there. Kahit makapal siya, hindi na rin masyadong kita. So, out of this first swipes, yung pinakamaganda, out of this swipes na to, yung pinakamaganda na lumabas na washable ay si Crayola pa rin. Kasi hindi mo na siya actually makita. Wala na at one swipe. So, all in all, ang winner natin sa first swipe sa washability is Crayola sa mga tables and all. Crayola. There. So, as you can see, let's try to remove again. Sinadya ko talaga na may natira sa dulo. So, we can still try if after talking and talking, matatanggal, gaano siya matatanggal as na washable. So, let's see. We still use the same wipes. We'll use a new wipes. So, usually, if we clean naman, yung first wipe, iba yung gagawin mo doon sa second wipe. So, let's see. So, Crayola washable. Let's use each side. This is this clean side. Crayola washable. Let's see. Okay. It disappeared. So, kahit nagsasalta tayo kanina pa, natanggal siya. Next is the Crayola emoji. Same. Natanggal pa rin siya. Next is the scribbler. Okay, natanggal siya. So, as you can see, matatanggal siya kahit na medyo matutuyo na siya ng onte is pag ni-rub mo siya ng same rub as ni-rub mo pa siya, matatanggal naman siya. Next is the Deli Color Run. So clean lagi yung ginagamit na side pero same. So this one is the Deli Color Run. So yan, yung swipe na yon, natanggal siya pero makikita mo pa din yung line. Makikita, as you can see, asan si Deli Color Run? As you can see, ayan, makikita mo pa din yung remnants as versus dun sa iba. And then si Deli Color Emotion, which is brush tip. Let's see. Okay, the brush tip, it disappeared completely then. So this is also a good one. The Faber-Castell, see? Okay, it also disappeared. Pag ni-rub mo ng more, nagdi-disappear din siya. So, you can see here, hindi mo na siya makita. Although yung first swipe, makikita mo na may line pa, pero dun sa dulo, nung nag-rub pa tayo, nawala naman siya. So, si Crazy Art, okay, siya din nawala din siya nung ni-rub pa more dun sa baba. So, nawala din naman siya. So, kung makikita nyo, yung pinakamaganda, pinaka-washable with first swipe and rubbing is the Crayola Ultra Washable Markers. So, ito sa washability, Crayola pa rin. And yung pinaka-not washable would be the Deli Color Run felt tip. Ito siya. So now, the question is, si Scribbler ba and si Deli Color Run and si Faber-Castell, mabubura ba siya if we rub it again? Let's see. Okay, so if you exert more effort, nawala na si Scribbler, hindi na rin siya makita, and hindi na rin makita, pero si Deli Color Run and si Faber-Castell, makikita mo pa yung faint line. Next is yung color pigmentation nila. Personally, nagpa-purchase ako ng washable marker, so I can let Sophia be creative, do whatever she wants do sa mga markers, and then I can just erase it after. And we buy washable markers in particular because markers are very pigmented, so mas prefer kasi niya yung ganun. So pagdating naman sa pigmentation, halos the same lang sila. Medyo heavy lang si Deli Color Emotion kasi brush tip kasi siya. Pero kung i-ignore mo yung kapal, halos pare-parehas lang yung pigmentation. So, pagdating sa color, magpa-perform sila ng halos pare-parehas lang. So, these are brands that we prefer. Although, new si Scribbler dito at si Crazy Art. The rest, pinapurchase talaga namin. Kasi, in terms of color pigmentation, pare-parehas lang naman sila. I will share with you the prices of these washable markers. So first is the Scribbler Brilliant Washable Markers. So this is 169 pesos and 75 cents. I bought it in Last Mall SM Stationery. So this is 12 colors in a plastic packaging. Next would be the Crayola markers. So first is the Crayola Ultra Clean Washable Markers. 12 colors also. It's 195 pesos and 99 cents. I bought it in Last Mall Crayola. 12 colors also. then the Crayola emoji markers, 10 stamp markers, ultra clean washable. This is 249 pesos and 99 cents in Crayola Lazmall also. Next is the Deli. Let's go to Deli. The Deli felt pen markers, Color Run felt pen, washable fiber bullet tip, 10 millimeters, bright colors. So this one is 24 colors, stick packaging also. I bought it 84 pesos in Lazmall, Delhi. So it's on sale when I bought it. From 120 pesos, I bought it 84 pesos in Delhi. And next is the Delhi Color Emoticon. Actually, this is brush tip pens. 24 colors also. This is 260 pesos. I bought it on sale. The regular price is 520. But for this video, we'll use the price 260 pesos, the sale price. So this is the brush pen. We're missing one already because Sophia took it, but it's okay. So it's also in a hard plastic packaging. The Delhi markers, 260 pesos. And the Crazy Art super washable markers, 10 pens, is 135 pesos. So those are the prices. So if you will see, the cheapest or the most affordable washable among these 7 is the Delhi Color Run, 84 pesos. It's on sale actually. It's 120 pesos if it's not on sale. So the Delhi Color Run is the most affordable. For 84 pesos, you'll get 24 markers. So, in terms of prices, ito yung nasa top, si Delhi Color Run. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.